How to install Kali NetHunter Lite in Termux, no root needed. Want to install Kali Linux on your Android without root? Here's how to do it using Termux. Step 1. Open Termux and update your system. Type package update in and package upgrade y. Next, install the essential tools with this command. Package install git wget Proot y. Step 3. Download the Kali NetHunter installer. Just clone this repo. Git clone https://github.com/hacks4us/nethunter-in-termux.git. Step 4. Go into the folder and set permissions. Type cd Nethunter-In-Termux and chmod +x**. Step 5. Finally, run the installer with Kali NetHunter. Wait a few minutes while Kali NetHunter downloads and sets up. Patience pays off here. That's it, Kali NetHunter Lite runs inside Termux now, no root needed. Enjoy powerful Linux tools like nmap, ls, and more on your Android device. No root, no hassle, just pure Linux power on the go. Try it out today. If you love this, hit subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials.